Experts have raised concern on government fiscal management policy, which they say is responsible for the huge budgetary deficit of over 1 trillion rupees. This has increased volume of public debt to an extent where it has become unsustainable.
The public debt is growing at a real growth rate of around 3%, which is a heavy burden not just on us in terms of inflation and other costs, but also on our future generations.
Speakers at the seminar say the government has elections in mind. This automatically brings down order of priority of other national issues down to the lower rung of the ladder.
Government is trying to offer some incentives to the poor segments of the society. But at the same time, it has not imposed taxes on the rich. Government has tried to play safe, especially because this is an election year.
The business community has its own point of view. They do not find anything sporting policy initiative for economic development and business promotion. The budget has not provided any tax relief or incentive on performance to businesses, which are suffering due to the scarcity of electricity. Rather, new taxes have been imposed on the real sector and retail chain businesses.
The government is trying to collect taxes through indirect way, like they have imposed a new tax on the manufacturers. This is not, I think, workable, because on one side they are charging 1% turnover tax, and on this side they are charging further 1% on the distributors and the wholesalers. This would definitely increase the prices of the commodities.
Economic experts fear that the budget will further compound stagflation. As a result, both people of Pakistan and the country seem to lose. However, the incumbent government might secure a couple of seats in the parliament. This may increase poverty and destroy future of millions who otherwise were not born inferior. With cameraman Sohail Malik, this is Taimur Hassan, SDTV, Islamabad.